In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Xbox Cloud Gaming on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use Xbox Cloud Gaming on any mobile device. For this, you will need an Xbox Game Pass subscription. So if you don't have it already, go to the official Xbox website and make sure that you acquire Game Pass. After you have a Game Pass subscription active, you will be able to access most games on Xbox Cloud Gaming. Some games on that catalog will be free to access, such as Fortnite. So even if you don't have the subscription, you will still be able to play them, but most games, and especially new releases, will require the subscription, so keep all of that in mind. Now, there are two ways to use Xbox Cloud Gaming. You can either do it through a web browser, so you open a web browser and you go to xbox.com/play, as you can see here. And keep in mind that for iOS devices such as an iPhone, this is going to be the only way to do it. Or you can download the mobile app, which is only available for Android. So if you go into the Google Play Store, you can download the Xbox application and then use Xbox Cloud Gaming from there. But like I said before, if you are doing this through an iOS device, or if you just want to do it through an Android device on a web browser, you have to do it here, xbox.com/play. Now, you will see a list of games. Some of them will allow you to play using only touch controls, and they will be listed here under the category, and others will require a controller, so you can tell by the icon. So for example, Rainbow Six Siege, you will see that there is a controller icon, so you can only play this if you connect the controller to your mobile device. You can see if it is connected when you click or tap on this little controller icon. After it is connected, you just select the game that you wish to play, choose the option to sign in, and you sign into a Microsoft account. After you are signed in, you will be put in queue to start using the Xbox Cloud Gaming service. So go to xbox.com/play and you can do it from here. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Xbox Cloud Gaming on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.